Today we're talking about something that every homeschooler faces, no matter how experienced you are, and that's homeschool burnout. Welcome back to the Outschool channel. If you're new here, hey, we're Outschool, your learning support system and partners on your kids' education journey. At Outschool, we believe we can help kids and empower them to love learning. Here in our channel, we're going to post videos and tips every week on how to keep you and your family inspired on your learning journey. If you want to join the Outschool family, hit the subscribe button or click that notification bell so you never miss a chance to connect and build your community. Let's get into the video. Homeschooling can be an amazingly rewarding experience, but if you aren't taking proper steps to make sure it's manageable for you and your family, you can start to feel pretty overwhelmed. So here are 4 things to keep in mind when you're starting to feel burnt out. Not that you would ever feel burnt out. Homeschooling's amazing all the time. It's puppy dogs and rainbows. We all love it. Step 1. Try something new like a unit study where you do a deep dive into something that interests you and your kid. Sky's the limit here, so think about oceans, mythology, light waves, the color turquoise, monkey farts. Everything's game here. Your learning doesn't have to be limited to traditional school subjects. Sometimes the burnt out feeling might happen from not feeling inspired or a little lack of passion from what we're actually studying. So say you're learning about the ocean. Let's do math with goldfish as manipulatives. Or maybe you make a pond in the backyard, water experiments in the backyard. You can dress up in costumes, mermaid-themed costumes, yes? A whole new world, a whole new world. I even changed keys like 3 times in that little snippet. Take a field trip to the ocean, 3-day field trip to the ocean. Homeschooling, it's on our own time. Ooh, on that note, step 2 is to take a break and change the scenery. More on that. One of the homeschooling perks is flexibility. Take longer breaks during the day or experiment with non-linear scheduling. Try designating a day to get out of the house and explore your local area. You can do things like field trips to add variety to your week. Since you're following your homeschooling schedule and not a traditional school schedule, you can give yourselves more flexibility and take a week off whenever you need to. So in addition to spring break or winter break, you can observe things like Halloween or Pie Day or Garlic Day. Kids, we're taking a week off! It's Garlic Day. Pajama Day? That's worth 2 weeks at least. Homeschooling. Every day's Pajama Day. You know what I'm talking about with Pajama Day. It's going to really help you recharge your batteries and reflect on what's working and what might not be working. Take a break. You deserve it. Learning's happening all the time. Whether it's Garlic Week, Pajama Day, Pie Day, can't stop us from learning. If you've been going at this homeschooling thing for a while, it can feel isolating. But the good news is that now there are more ways than ever to connect with like-minded parents who are willing to share their knowledge and share their experience to guide you through the process. Try looking up local homeschooling co-ops to meet other families in your area. You can also join virtual homeschooling communities and homeschooling forums, just like Outschool's online parent community. Yeah, see what we did there? Join our parent community and meet thousands of homeschoolers just like you. We're here to share advice, ask questions, connect with like-minded families, and support one another as we set learning free. Click the link below to join. Step 4, get help. If you or your kid are struggling with a particular subject area, maybe it's time to get some help. This is completely normal, and lots of homeschoolers use additional resources, classes, or tutoring to supplement their learning. First, try to understand what resource might be the most beneficial for your kid. Does your kid need some extra book time? Do they need some YouTube time? Do they need some one-on-one time with a tutor? Maybe they need some social classes with kids that are their age or have their same interests and paired up with a mentor. If you want fresh ideas on how to approach a subject, check out Outschool for all the amazing ways that educators are engaging with learners, from using video games to practice physics or coding, to baking for math, chemistry with wizards and witches, or writing with anime. There's something for everyone. You're going to outsource with Outschool. Outsourcing with Outschool. Made that up just now. If you or your kid are struggling with a particular subject area, Don't be afraid to change what isn't working. It's a great opportunity to show your kids that goals are good, but there's nothing wrong with adapting. So remember, if you're starting to feel burnt out, take a deep breath. Consider changing up your routine, taking a deep dive on a niche subject, taking breaks, reaching out to community, or asking for help whenever you need. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you think this video would help a friend or loved one, be sure to hit that share button and invite them to the Outschool family to help us on our mission to set learning free. We'll be posting videos each week, so if you've got a question or an idea on what kind of video you'd like to see as you build your homeschooling resource, please let us know in the comments below.